Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some items that annual members can choose in their summer FabFitFun box. Yep, we heard you. You love picking your favorite items, so this season we're doing things a little differently. Now, if you're an annual member, you can fully customize your entire box. For this category, you can choose from a variety of amazing products or, wait for it, bundles. There are a lot of options, so let's get into it. Let's kick it off with the OLEHENRICKSEN Fat Glow Facial. This mask evens your skin tone through chemical exfoliation. It also hydrates and nourishes the skin. This is great for all skin types, whether you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, it's great for you. As hydrating as it is, it's also going to clarify and renew. You can use this 2 times per week. Oh. Can you see that? A nice little pink. It smells kind of like fresh flowers almost. It's thick, but in a nice way. We're getting a little bit of white action here. So massage it in from pink to white and leave it on for 15 minutes. Damp towel, rinse it off. Amazing. My skin type is all over the place. We're oily, we're dry, we are very combination. So we definitely need a Fat Glow facial. Hopefully you can see the effects from this morning, maybe a little bit, no? Next up, we have the Verso Botanicals Super Eye Serum. This is gonna energize tired eyes. Plus, it's formulated with retinol 8, which makes it extra effective. It's also formulated with peptides to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. It's got this nice little applicator here. Oh, it's very soft. Oh, very lightweight. Doesn't smell like much, which is kind of nice, actually. This is great for me because I don't get a lot of sleep, and these dark circles, as you can see, they come through. So we definitely need some extra collagen production here. So this is a great product for me. Next up, we have the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is a rapid treatment that gives a filler-like effect without the injection. This plumps the skin to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after just 1 use. This smooths and revolumizes the skin to keep that youthful appearance. You can use this just like a serum after you wash your face and before you put on your moisturizer. I actually love Murad products, so this is exciting. Oh, it's like a thicker kind of serum. It's like kind of herbaceous almost, but it kind of goes on the skin really nicely. It's very smooth, feels hydrating. It's great. Next up, we have the LashesMD Eyelash Conditioner. This is gonna help you grow out your eyelashes and even works on your eyebrows. I'm not a huge mascara person, but if you have brittle eyelashes from mascara, this is gonna help strengthen and condition them. Apply this like an eyeliner to your upper and lower eyelids or on your eyebrows once or twice a day. It's like a soft thickness almost. This is best to apply without makeup, so do it before bed, add it to your nighttime routine, and you'll have the eyelashes of your dreams, just like mine. These next few products are going to be bundled in groups of 2, so let's get into the first option. Let's start with the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. This is a hydrating face mask that helps pull out impurities without drying out your skin. When it draws out dirts and oils, it infuses your skin with moisture and nutrients. I've already cleaned and dried my face, set a thick layer, so that's what we're going to do. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
I can only help you with the first request.
She is so sassy. For best results, leave it on for 10 minutes or until it's dry and rinse it off. You can use it once or twice a week. I do love a clay mask, so I'm excited for this one. I don't know if you noticed, but the pink, it's a moment, you see? This one smells like flowers. It's giving me a little bit of peony, a nice little summer flower. Any questions from the audience? Next up, we have the Skin & Co. Roma Whipped Cleansing Cream. This is going to renew and cleanse dry, dull skin. This is great for all skin types, but especially dry skin because it helps your skin retain moisture. To use this, start with dry skin, use a quarter-size amount, massage it into your face, rinse it off with warm water. It has a really nice smell. I just can't quite put my finger on it. Maybe like an almond almost. Yeah. It's an almond. This product is made in Italy, just like some of my favorite things: pasta, pizza, wine. Am I right? This is a great bundle because you can use the cleanser and follow it up with a mask. Let's get into our next bundle. We have our Kate Spade workout socks. These are super stylish socks for yoga, bar, or an at-home workout, which, as we both know, are huge right now. This is an at-home workout person. These have grippers on the bottom and an open design for breathability. They also have this amazing little ankle strap, which helps keep your socks up during a workout, which is so frustrating, especially devastating because I am an ankle sock person, so worst. I know I've been into at-home workouts lately. Comment down below what your favorite at-home workout is. If you haven't been working out at home, great. Let me know what you've been up to in the comments down below. Next up, we have the Beautaniq Revitalising Eye Gels. These are going to depuff and brighten tired eyes. They usually come with 4, but there's only 3 left because I did steal one earlier. I love cucumber, rose, and green tea, so So sign me up, break into these bad boys. Be careful because I've absolutely dropped one of these on the floor before. They are this lovely blue, these cute little angel wings. Oh, that's lovely. Something I really like about these is that since they're gel, they conform to different eye shapes really easily. So you can do a lot of different things with them. You can kind of stretch them out, get them a little bit higher up to, you know, attack these little wrinkles that are showing up already. So rude. There are so many great uses for these because they really mold to just about any face shape. To use them, put them on your face after cleansing and toning. Make sure you press them in to make sure there's no air bubbles. Leave them on for 15 minutes. Once they've been on for 15 minutes, you can take those right off and make sure you rub in all that good stuff. It leaves on like a really nice kind of like gel layer. You can use these 2 to 3 times a week. This bundle's great because you have something for the fit, you have something for the fab. All you need is the fun, which comes in plenty around here. These next few products will be available in bundles of 3. I'm going to show you them each first and then what bundles they're available in. Let's get started with the Spongellé Buffer in Tea Blossom. This is going to exfoliate and massage to give you that spa experience at home. If you've been a FabFitFun member for a long time, you know we love our Spongelles, so you're not going to want to miss this one. And if you're new here, you got to start somewhere. I currently have the lavender one hanging in my bathroom, but might have to switch it up. This is giving me citrus, green tea, kind of like Japanese tea garden almost. It smells great. I love the exfoliation of the Spongellé products. It pairs great with the thick hydrating body wash that is infused in this. I love a little spa day at home with my Spongellé. There was maybe a glass of wine involved earlier. Worth it. Treat yourself. Next up, we have the Barefoot Scientist Pedicure File. This is going to help remove calluses, dry skin, and rough patches to keep your feet soft and smooth. The file is made of stainless steel. This has both a firm side and a soft side. The firm side has like a little few bumps on there to really get that deep exfoliation, and then the other side is a flat, kind of more gentle approach for the, you know, softer areas of the foot. This is great for an at-home pedicure because couldn't tell you the last time I got a real pedicure, but this has been a great addition to my post-shower routine. Keeps my feet looking soft, supple, amazing. I would show you, but feet pics, you know, use this after a shower or bath on damp feet. Use circular motions with whichever pressure you prefer and say goodbye to those calluses. Next up, we have the Blush Pineapple Ice Tray. It creates pineapple-shaped ice cubes, jello shots, little desserts, whatever your heart desires. Let me pop one out really quick. I made these ahead of time. Look at how adorable that is. Oh my gosh, look at that cute little pineapple. The back even looks like a pineapple. Lately, I've been really into gin and tonics. I'm thinking that's gonna be my summer drink of choice. I am gonna love these cute little pineapples to go with it. I love a squeeze of lemon, a little bit of citrus. Scream summer. Comment down below and let me know what your drink of choice this summer is gonna be. And don't forget these cute little pineapple ice cubes. And this pairs great with our next product. Let's get into that. Next up, we have the Art & Cook Citrus Squeezer. To use this product, you just need a citrus of choice. Throw it right in there. Give it a little squeeze. Just like that, you have your citrus juice for your cocktails, for your mocktails, for your food, desserts, whatever you would like. Perfect for a summer day. I absolutely will be making some lemonade freshly squeezed with my Art & Cook Citrus Squeezer. Next up, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. This is going to deliver hydration, softness, and elasticity all while you sleep. This gently melts into the skin and gives you that dewy finish. This is great to use at night because you can just put it on and let it do its magic while you're sleeping. This can also be applied during the day for a powerful lip balm, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it smells delicious. Definitely fruity. It's like a really nice thickness actually. I usually use kind of a thinner lip balm, but you can feel that it's a little bit thicker. Very soft, and goes on really easily. Do my lips look dewy? Next up, we have the Eyeko Double Act Shadow Stick in Cookies and Cream. This has a warm golden brown on one side and a shimmery champagne on the other. This has a creamy and non-drying formula that is buildable and easy to blend. Just apply a swipe of whichever color you like to your eyelids and you can blend that right out with your fingers. You can also use the shimmery champagne as a highlight, so wherever you want to bring that extra light to, whether it's your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, just give it a little bit of a swipe there and amazing. This product is also great because because it is super easy to take on the go. It's compact, you've got 2 colors. If your eyeshadow is failing you when you're out, you can just pop this guy right out, give it a little swipe, blend it right in, good as new. Next up, we have the Aria Beauty Makeup Swabs. These are a versatile zero waste replacement for traditional cotton swabs. The medical grade silicone tips are washable and it comes with 2. These are great for makeup or skincare application or literally any part of your routine. They are so versatile. You can use them for your eyebrows, your eyeliner, your lips, whatever you want. These pair great with the Eyeko shadow stick after you've blended. If you want to clean up those edges, it's great to take on the go. It comes with this perfect case. Throw this right in your purse with your on the go shadow stick. Perfect for a night out. Those are all the products that come in bundles of 3. Here's how they pair together. There are so many options. There is something for everyone. Great variety, amazing products. Where could you go wrong? That's all for this category. Thanks for watching. If you're not already a member, go to FabFitFun.com to take your pick. We'll see you next season.